Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? I hope all is well. The honorable person, my lecturer, Mr. Krisnandi Syahrijal M. Hum, and all my beloved friends, I'd like to take opportunity to thank you for time and for your attention. Ladies and gentlemen, speaking is the human ability to make a sound and express opinion from his mind. While watching movie is a hobby that is loved by adults and children. One of the benefits of watching movie is make the audience imagine and develop in language. Therefore, how do children respond to the implementation English movie as media when applied in speaking class? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Intan Widianti. Today, I will give you the material about how do children respond to the implementation English movie as media when applied in speaking class. And the title is Analysis of Children Response of the Implementation of English Movie in Speaking Class by Aseptiana Parmawati and Ratih Inaya. Now, we move to the next slide. This is our menu presentation of today. Number 1 is introduction. Number 2 is literature review. Number 3 is research methodology. Number 4 is finding and discussion. And the last is conclusion. Now, we move to the first topic. Introduction. Speaking is the high target in English language because speaking is basic of communication which become a function learning. Speaking do not mean just saying the word through mouth. It means conveying the message through the word of mouth. In addition, student habit can help to learn English, especially in speaking. One of which is watching movie. This habit can help students improve their speaking skill in a fun and comfortable way. Now, we move to the next slide. Literature review. First one is the understanding of speaking. According to Ricard and Starner 2008, Cameron 2001, Donna and Sau 2003, it can be concluded that the understanding of speaking is important for everything people want to say is conveyed in an effective way. Because speaking is not only producing sound, but also a process of achieving goal that involves transferring message across. And the second one is type of media. There are so many learning media used in teaching. According Harris, Mishra, and Kohler 2009, as cited in Parmawati and Inaya 2019, state that there are 6 types of media. 1. Drawing or drawing lecture model. 2. Still image. 3. Audio recording. 4. Motion picture and television. 5. Real object, simulation and model. And the last, program and computer assisted instruction. And third is English movie. Movie is a type of visual communication with news, moving picture and sound to tell stories or inform. Movie can also teach people about history, science, human behavior, and any other subject. Some films combine entertainment with instruction. It makes the learning process more enjoyable. According Karakas and Sarikaban 2012, Mirpan 2030, Insari and Sugandi 2050, can be concluded that the use of media in the form of English movie can be applied in the learning process given the many positive effects that are obtained. Now we move to the next slide. Research methodology. The subject of this research consists of 34 students of IKIP Siliwangi. This research uses a descriptive qualitative, and the instrument used is questionnaire grid. Now we move to the next slide. Finding and discussion. Table 1 is a table of children response to the questionnaire grid. There are 10 items in this table. 4 items for attention indicator, 2 items for relevant indicator, 2 items for confidence indicator, and 2 items for satisfaction indicator. Now we move to the next slide. Figure 1 is the number of positive response on each indicator. Based on the figure consists of 4 criteria: attention, relevant, confidence, and satisfaction. It can be concluded that majority of children give positive response toward the implementation of English movie in speaking class. Factors that influence children has positive response are movie can keep children interest. Children can watch English movie with their friends and speak about them afterward. They can also find movie script online and imitate what the actor said in the movie. Movie can improve children pronunciation. As you know that English pronunciation is extremely difficult, and when children read word, it is very difficult for children to say the word. Listening to native English speakers talk to each other can help children to hear how words are pronounced. Children can know where to put intonation on certain word and sentence. In addition, English movie with English subtitle can help children to see how the words are written. By watching English movie, children listen to many new words and phrases, especially idiom and some expression. Children can keep a notebook with them and write down any new word or phrases they listen before they try to speak about the content in front of the class. They have good self-confidence to express their idea in learning activity. Most of them call this trick their peers and readiness to practice speaking skill. Now we move to the last topic. Conclusion. Based on the data analysis and discussion that has been explained, then it can be concluded. 1. Children respond after implementation of English movie give positive response. 2. Children positive response is shown by their activeness in speaking class. And 3. There are some advantages of using English movie in English teaching speaking class. So, the lecture should always remind children the main instructional goal before and after watching the movie. The lecture should consult children thinking, imagination, and emotional. So, the lecture should select a good educational English movie. The belief that everyone loves watching movie, strengthen the lecture confident to use English movie as an attractive strategy to teach in speaking class. Well, ladies and gentlemen, before I end this presentation, I want to say we can use the implementation of English movie in the speaking class because this implementation brings a positive response from the children. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of the presentation. Thank you for your time and for your attention. I hope you enjoy and I hope this material is useful for all of us. I'm sorry if there are many mistakes. I'm Intan Widianti. See you goodbye to resign. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.